Welcome. I'm so happy to be speaking with you today.
Thank you so much, Jen. It's also my pleasure. I really appreciate that.
Well, I wanted to talk to you today because I'm very excited to have you back at the Modern Trader Summit 2020 in Philadelphia this July. And we've even added an extra day, so we're going to do live trading.
Well, that's excellent. So very excited for that.
Yeah. So I wanted to highlight you were a speaker last year. So what was your impression of the Modern Trader Summit from a presenter's point of view and also an audience member?
Um, I actually was very impressed because I was very impressed with the quality of the presentations from the speakers. And one thing that really got me interested in the summit was the diversity of the topics that we actually covered there. We had from Jeremy, who discussed from trading and even life and all of the um, the aspects of your real life can have an impact on your trading, all the way to the blockchain and crypto and all different modern financial disruptions that we are really seeing these days. So that was really impressive for the diversity of the summit. And I personally learned a lot from that. I talked about risk management, which is only one part of the trading. From the audience perspective, I think it's something for anyone in any level of experience of trading. I mean, no matter what kind of trader you are you a stock trader, options trader, crypto trader, or you're just interested in active trading or swing trading or even investment, I think there is benefit for you to attend to these events. I mean, that's at least I was not really. I was happy that I'm actually sitting there and listening to all of the talks.
Well, thank you. I mean, that's actually what I strive to do, is to actually bring people in that they can share what they are best at. There's so many different potential ways to profit in the market, and there's not just one strategy that's going to work for everyone. So I'm really glad that you picked up on that from a attendee point of view. And your presentation was amazing too on risk management. And you're also the head of bear and bull traders too, which is very exciting. Why don't you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, thank you. So Bear Bull Traders is a community of active traders that we're focusing mostly on stock market and on short-term intraday active trading, mostly day traders. We do some swing trading as well. But the whole idea behind Bear Bull Trader was having a community of like-minded traders to support each other in the trading journey, because trading is very overwhelming. And as a trader, as a retail trader in your home, it could be also overwhelming and very isolating. So it's good to be part of a community for success and share your journey and learn from each other. And I think it has a huge impact on the journey of traders. Like, imagine if you have a question about hotkey or platform. If you don't have anyone around you, it might take you days or weeks to just get the answer by searching online and contacting other people. But if you are part of a community, you're just asking some member in a chat or in a forum, and you immediately almost get an answer from more experienced traders, and everyone contributes to other people's success. And so I mean, trading along a community has had a huge effect, and I recommend everyone to join a trading community. I mean, it doesn't have to be Bear Bull Traders. There's so many out there, and just join a community.
I agree 100%. Trading with a community, especially because it can be very lonely as a retail trader. It's just you and the computer, and the psychological aspect can be so tough. But if you have somebody to bounce an idea off of in a positive community, not all the communities that I've experienced in the trading world are positive. So it sounds like yours is very positive as well. And that's what I tried to bring, with the Modern Trader Summit, is positive traders all coming together to help others, to see others succeed. So I'm curious, do you have thoughts of what you want to speak about this upcoming year?
That's a very good question. I mean, I have to also take a look at the other speakers, but I think if I want to talk more about the psychology of trading and how your day-to-day life can impact your trading performance. I think that's something that, because we can get into the technical stuff, but there are a lot of technical stuff out there. There are books that talk about how the market works and all of those mathematics and fundamentals behind the price movement. But what we can learn as traders, what I can share about, the hard work, the persistence, the rejections, losses, the sacrifices that you have to do to become a successful trader. It doesn't matter what kind of trading you do, the discipline, that all of those risks that you have to take. I think I want to have my talk more toward those elements that is more useful for a broader audience of traders, rather than just focus only on active day trading.
Yeah, and that's amazing, because so much of trading is psychological. And I agree 100%. You have to bring your A game before you even get into a trade. You have to prepare your body, your mind, your nutrition, everything all together, so that you are the best form of yourself when you're sitting down to trade. If you're feeling sick, you're, clogged head with congestion, maybe it's not the best time. So I think that's a great topic to talk about.
So exactly. I mean, I had a recent experience that, I had a little bit of too much drinking because I was in a Christmas party, and the next day I could feel the effect of my my cognitive ability and fast decision making in my trading, and I didn't have a good day. And when I was looking at it, okay, why did I do these trades, and what made me to make these decisions? It has an effect like alcohol or what we are essentially what we eat. You mentioned food. That's a perfect example of that affects our trading performance.
Yes, definitely. And it's really important as traders to, in my opinion, journal about it like every day, so that you can go back and you can see that data. Like you said, what was different? Why were you different that day in particular?
Exactly. I mean, that self-reflection and journaling, that is the real, enforcement of the change. So if you want to change, you need to make sure that you are observing the progress that you're having. So journaling is very, very important for trading success.
And I know too, you've written a couple of different books. I hope that you'll be able to bring some books to also share with the audience in case they want to purchase some as well.
Oh, that's for sure. That would be my pleasure.
Awesome. Anything else that you'd like to contribute today, Andrew?
No, I just wanted to thank you for organizing that. I think you are doing a great contribution to the trading community by organizing that. I know it's a lot of work. I'm very excited to come, and I know that this year, by the lineup of the speakers and all the changes that you're doing into the two-day event, I'm very excited to attend that, and I'm hopefully see as many as traders out there and having a good 2 days together.
Yes, me too. Thank you so much, Andrew. Well, I look forward to seeing you in July. And if you guys have any questions for Andrew, what's the best way to reach you, Andrew?
You can always email me, andrew@bearbulltraders.com. And in social media, it's always Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You can just search Andrew Aziz and Bear Bull Traders. That's my handle everywhere. And email andrew@bearbulltraders.com. I personally respond to all of the emails that I'm getting.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Andrew. And everyone, if you are interested, come and see us in person. We would love to help you. We would love to meet you at the Modern Trader Summit in Philadelphia, July 12th and 13th, 2020. Thank you.
Thank you.